300 likes in an hour. Finally, people see me.
Funny. I just had a 5-minute chat with that little one. 0 likes, but my heart feels full.
But without the numbers, how do you know you matter?
I feel it here. My worth doesn't need Wi-Fi.
In the validation economy, worth is measured in likes, shares, and views. The nervous system registers digital applause as connection, but the soul still starves.
Fast forward.
One builds a life rooted in real touch, real laughter, real presence, happiness and health. The other chases hollow pixels, and finds only loneliness echoing back. Likes feed the ego. Love feeds the soul. Tonight, trade one scroll for one real conversation. Notice which one leaves you full.